Hello, in this video I'm gonna make a demonstration on Juwel Safe Lock 4+4. This is the key, and as you can see, it has quite deep coat. This is the tool I'm gonna be using, 4+4 pins, Prodecoder Automatic. Now the first thing we need to do is to reset the pins. Basically we turn this wheel all the way to the right, and with the help of our reset device we are going to reset the pins one by one, like this. Tool is fully reset. We insert it like this. Now this lock has anti-pick cuts. The most important thing is you should insert the decoder in the correct depth, meaning if it's out of the lock, a little bit out, you won't be able to turn it. Now tension is to the right, so tension. And at some point I release it like this because of the anti-picking mechanism. The first turn is now ready. We can compare it with the key. You can see that we have exact match. So now we have the first map out of the lock. And again, turn the turbo wheel all the way to the right, and through the small holes reset fully the decoder. Insert it. Start giving the tension. You can hear the clicks, which means the decoder is working. Whenever you stop hearing the clicks, you just release it like this and you continue. You can see that we have made the second turn from the lock. Like this. So the most important thing to remember is that you need to release it a little bit whenever the decoder comes in anti-pick stage. And this is it. This is Prodecoder Automatic, Juwel 4+4 on anti-pick safe lock. Thanks for watching.